it's Twyla coming to y'all this afternoon with a couple of products from 31 that I wanted to show you all that are amazing to help keep women on the go organized a little bit better. So whether you're a mom or you're a teacher, a nurse, a secretary, you name it, this tote right here is called the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote. Super popular because of all the pockets surrounding the outside. Has a zipper closure on the top to keep everything contained. It's just a super popular tote, a great size. Has these two handles to carry it with. And if you are needing a mobile office kind of thing, or are toting around a bunch of books and papers and that kind of thing, it also fits the fold and file perfectly inside. This organizer is great to keep your desk organized. You know, when you're not using it in the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote, it's just super handy. But when you are carrying around a bunch of papers and books and that kind of thing, you can very easily keep it organized and contained inside the fold and file, and then it fits perfectly inside the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote. So it's a perfect pairing there. A couple other things I wanted to show you. Obviously, if you're a woman on the go, you're probably going to need a wallet. 31 has every shape, color, and size of wallets. The one I'm going to show you here is called the Perfect Sense wallet. This is a good medium-sized wallet. It has a little change pocket in the back here, and then another zipper pocket up front here, right there, and then yet another zipper pocket in the center. And this opens up and has space for all your cards, your coupons, your checkbook, if you still use a checkbook, whatever you would like to put in there, your ID as well. Just a great size wallet, and it has, as you can see, a little key, a little ring there, so you can pick a wristlet strap and add that. I chose the coral color just because I love the pop of color it gives the little wristlet. But you could obviously we have the navy color if you are more of a matchy kind of person. It's just a kind of fun thing that you can play around with, and it's great for if you want to just, you know, grab your wallet out of your purse, run into the store, and you know, have everything handy dandy there. And obviously the wristlet strap can be removed if you don't care for the wristlet strap. So the other thing I wanted to show you is the Mini Ruby. This is like our medium-sized zipper pouch, and it's in the jewel line, so it's the faux leather. Has a really pretty pop of color, the polka dots on the inside, and zips shut. It's just a great size to carry your essentials, and just, you know, the things you could throw your keys in there, kind of thing that you don't want to lose. And also has this little ring here, so if you would like to use it as a wristlet, ta-da, all you do is get a wristlet strap. Hope that you enjoyed seeing these and that you have a blessed afternoon.